From this video, you will get tips to prepare for 61131T Administering Avaya Aura System Manager Specialized Test. What is Administering Avaya Aura System Manager Specialized Test? Exam information. Exam topics. Tips to pass the exam. 1. What is the primary purpose of a routing policy in Avaya Aura Session Manager? A. To determine the physical path for data packets. B. To dictate call handling based on time of day. C. To define how calls are routed through the network based on criteria. D. To restrict certain calls during peak hours. Answer: C. 2. How can an administrator change security policies in Avaya Aura System Manager? A. Through the direct database access. B. By modifying the system files. C. Using the Security Policies menu in the Administration console. D. Contacting Avaya support. Answer: C. 3. In System Manager, what is a primary purpose of creating new roles and groups for SMGR users? A. To enable LDAP synchronization. B. To manage licensing. C. To control access based on job function. D. To increase system performance. Answer: C. 4. What must be configured to allow a new tenant to fully utilize System Manager capabilities? A. System locales. B. User profiles and permissions. C. Network topology. D. Firewall settings. Answer: B. 5. In the context of SDM, what role does the Solution Deployment Manager dashboard play? A. It provides a visual interface for tracking active calls. B. It displays real-time security alerts. C. It offers a centralized view of deployment statuses and application health. D. It manages user sessions and logs. Answer: C. 6. Which feature does SDM provide for managing applications across an Avaya network? A. Network synchronization. B. Centralized licensing management. C. Real-time troubleshooting. D. Deployment scheduling. Answer: D. 7. How does a routing policy interact with SIP entities in Session Manager? A. It bypasses SIP entities for local calls. B. It defines which SIP entity to use based on the routing logic. C. It limits the bandwidth used by each SIP entity. D. It configures the security settings for SIP entities. Answer: B. 8. Which of the following is a primary function of System Manager in Avaya Aura? Choose 2. A. Handling PSTN connections. B. Centralized dial plan management. C. Routing internet traffic. D. User and device provisioning. Answer: BD. 9. What is the purpose of the data replication node in System Manager? A. To synchronize user settings across multiple systems. B. To distribute processing loads. C. To ensure data consistency across geographic locations. D. To back up media files exclusively. Answer: C. 10. When configuring an AST device in System Manager, what is a crucial step for integrating with Session Manager? A. Defining the device's physical location in the network. B. Assigning the device to a specific user or group. C. Linking the device with a specific SIP entity and sequences. D. Updating the device with the latest SIP firmware. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.